Thank you for viewing this video tutorial. Today we will show you how to easily replace a laptop LCD screen. The laptop we're using today is an IBM ThinkPad T42. You can generally follow the same steps to remove most laptop LCD screens. You will need a Phillips screwdriver and a razor blade. Okay, let's begin. Step 1. Remove the screw covers. Insert the blade under the covers and pull them off. Step 2. With the covers off, you can now remove the screws from the front bezel. Step 3. Insert your fingers between the bezel and the old LCD screen and pull gently. The bezel will start to unsnap. Do this on all corners until the bezel is fully removed. Step 4. Remove the frame screws. Step 5. Disconnect the LCD cable. Tilt the screen down slightly to reveal the cable. Pull to disconnect. Step 6. Remove the remaining frame screws. Once the frame screws are removed, tilt the screen face down in its place to expose the inverter. Step 7. Disconnect the inverter. Step 8. Remove the screen. Now you're ready to place the new screen, simply by redoing steps 1 through 8 in Replace the new screen. Reconnect the inverter. Replace the frame screws. Reconnect the screen cable. Replace the bezel screws. Finally, replace the bezel. Apply a bit of pressure to ensure the bezel snaps back into place. And you're done! Power on your laptop and make sure the laptop screen is working properly. Please visit our website for the best deals on laptop LCD screens, inverters, accessories, batteries, AC adapters, keyboards, memory, hard drives, and optical drives. Thank you for viewing our video tutorial.